Alrighty guys, Future Lizzie stepping back in time. We are doing some swatches. I'm going to swatch all of the shades in this palette before we go ahead and do the tutorial using the shades. So this is the Cher palette and these are what the colours look like. So let's go ahead and swatch them on the arm and see how they perform before we jump into the tutorials. So starting at the top we have the shade Snob, which is a really nice neutral matte. Then we go into But Crazy, and then we have Persuasion, which doesn't have a lot of pigment in it at all. And then we have A Plus Style, and then we have Pom Pom. And then lastly we have the shade Selective. So these are the swatches for Cher's palette. Really, really nice. This pink here, this is Persuasion. It is quite light, and when you do kind of build it up, because it is so light and it is very, very matte, it's very chalky, it does look a little bit pastel-y. But other than that, this is the swatches for Cher's palette.
Alrighty guys, starting off the look with my Too Faced Born This Way multi-purpose concealer as usual, popping that all over the lid and using my Real Technique setting brush to blend it out. We're going in with Cher's wardrobe palette today, and we're going to start off with the shade Snob, which is a nude matte shade. I'm taking a blending brush and taking that all the way through my crease. It doesn't have much pigment, I'll be honest, and even for a nude, like you can see it a little bit, but not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be. Then I'm going in with Persuasion, and it is the light pink that I did mention was a bit chalky, and it definitely is very chalky, and not much color at all. I'm going in with the shade Pom Pom on a flat brush and patting that all over the lid. As you can see, I'm kind of struggling to get that payoff. I was considering using my finger, but I decided against it just for the sake of this video. Over the top of that, I'm taking the shade A Plus Style. It is another shimmer in the palette, and they both are that formula that there was a lot of controversy about. But yeah, I'm taking that A Plus shade over the inner corner of the eye and blending that in with the Pom Pom shades. Then I'm going in with the shade Selective and using it on the outer corner just to create that dimension on the lid. And I'm using another flat brush to apply that in the outer corner area. I'm going in with a mix of Snob and Persuasion on the same blending brush we used in the beginning, just to soften out any of those edges. Yeah, there's not much colour in those two, but it did help with the blending. Then I'm going back in with A Plus Style again and using that as my underbrow highlight. Then taking the eyelining pen that came in the collection and just doing a pretty small petite wing just to block off the pink from being so close to the eye. You've always got to have that barrier there so it doesn't look like you have red eyes when you're wearing pink eyeshadow. Going in and doing some coats of mascara. You could of course put falsies on, I chose not to, just keeping this as an everyday wearable look. And this was the fun part. This lip liner is way too light for me. I'm not sure how to even go ahead and use that in the future. So I ended up taking it off and just popping on a clear gloss to finish off this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.